Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I am going to show you something interesting. But before that, I just want to ask you if you can please subscribe to my channel. Then it will motivate me a lot to make more videos. So please do subscribe. Now coming on the topic of this video, what if I tell you that the picture you are looking at is not real? I mean, just look at the bicep. The tattoo you are seeing is not a real tattoo, but it's photoshopped. Yes. So how to do it? Let's see together. Here is the actual photo of this person, as you can see. Now first of all, we need to make this person into a new layer. So to do that, I am clicking on the quick selection tool. Then up above here, you can see the select object option. Now click on the option and it will automatically select the subject for you. Then you just have to only right click and select copy to new layer, and your subject is separated from the background. Now in the other window, I already have imported the tattoo which I want to use. So I am just dropping on top of the subject. Now is the main tricky part. As you can see, the tattoo is not in the correct shape with the bicep. So to make it correct, we have to do some adjustment, and to do so, just hold the left control key and then drag the corner like this, and it will adjust the shape for you as you want. So let's do it. Now as you can see, I have adjusted the tattoo on the biceps according to the person's hand position. Now it's time to make it look like realistic. So for that, first we have to choose the tattoo layer and then go to the blending option and choose multiply. Now you can see it's mostly done but not perfect. So to make it perfect, we have to blend the tattoo more so it looks real. So to do so, click on the layer mask, choose the mask, then change the foreground color from white to black, and now take the brush tool. Check if the fill is low, around 5 to 6, and then brush out the extra color from the tattoo. Do it smoothly, precisely, don't rush on it, otherwise it will not give a good result. Check each and every corner and every area of the tattoo and blend it with the skin. And that's it. Now, just to make the tattoo more realistic, we have to create a little shadow effect. For that, take a new layer on the top of everything. Take the brush tool again, choose the skin color from dark area for the sample and create light shadows where it needs to be. Now it is complete. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe. I will see you soon.